What is that stuff? Here, bring it over here to Dad. He'll get it out. Or you can hold it up. Here, we'll open this one first, yeah. This one came from Aunt Betsy and Emma and Lacey. Look, what is this? Whoa, what is that? What is it? Is that McDonald's? So you'll be able to take people's order. Yeah. Okay, now you want to open more? Look. This one's from Auntie and Unky. Look. It says, birthday candles are fun. Happy birthday, Auntie and Unky. Aww. Look. Look. Bruno, yeah. Look. Let's see what else. Oh, wow. Look at all those glittery tattoos. What this stuff? Here, help open this. No, this stuff out here first. No, this. Jolie, look at the card. It's pretty. Wow. It's a heart. Oh, pretty. Wow. Okay. Here's the sweatpants that go with it.
You're going to get that sticker off, don't worry.
Wow, feel that skirt.
Soft. That's soft.
It's soft and look. Ooh, pretty. Okay, we'll put all these, just stack them all up a little bit. Okay, this one's from Mama and Papa. Ooh, pretty. It's got butterflies. Wow. Do you like it? This is from Mama Papa. The butterflies. What's that?
That's the topper.
Aw, cute. Here, put that one. Okay. What's in this one? Roby and Muno. That's the one she knew it was Muno. This one says, just for you, little lady. Love, Aunt Cece. This one's from Cece. Cece sent you presents. What do we have? A Justin Bieber toothbrush. It sings Justin Bieber. Yeah, you can. Whoa, we gotta get it fixed. Daddy and I will fix it, okay? We'll fix it. Bieber. Whoa, look at those pants. Pretty.
You open this. You open that. Look what's on there. Yeah, tell kitty cat to get out of here.
That Bieber toothbrush is awesome.
Oh, look at this.
Whoa, cute. Look how cute, Jolie. With this. That's cute. I think when you got the clothes on black. ABCD. And that's a cute. Okay, now what? Oh, look at this one. This Muno's cool. That one's pretty. Daddy's probably going to have to help you open that one. That goes with her tree that she's got. This says, happy birthday. It's a lot of fun to have parties. Happy birthday. Love you, Amanda and Josh. Here. Uncle Mitch, Aunt Teresa, Jessica, Brad, and Brady. Yay!
Here, pull this off. Open.
Pretty. Look, what is in here? That box is for her ornaments. Oh, cute. Look at your ornaments for your tree.
Oh, wow, these are ornaments too.
Those are beautiful. Here, we'll stack them together. Yeah, we're going to get all the color on it. Look at these. What is this? This is for baby Jesus' birthday. Look at that. Wow, that's for your tree?
These are angels.
Oh, these are beautiful. Beautiful.
Look at these presents.
Pretty. Oh my gosh, those are pretty. Wow, Tawie. Here, I need some to keep wrapping. I need to keep wrapping them back up. Just because they're glittery.
There's the last one.
Yay! Those are beautiful. Say, those are beautiful. A beautiful.
We'll put it right back here. We're gonna hang them on the tree here.
Yeah.
About a week.
Okay, that's awesome. Those are from Aunt Teresa and Uncle Mitch. Yay. Okay, and then we can just stack all that back together. Okay. What is in here? This is from to Jolie from Aunt Pam and Uncle Bob.
Oh wow.
Wow. This is a skirt. How pretty is that? And your bow. That's beautiful. Do you like it? What do you think? Do you like it?
You like it?
It's all gone. It's pretty.
It'll be
She
pretty.
doesn't understand what it does. It's
The
a
dress.
skirt. And then look at your pretty bow. Here. We'll put it. Or just here. No, she keeps it.
It's a hat. Okay.
Oh, okay. Put the back in here. I just don't want it to get dirty. Okay. All right. Look at this present.
Oh, okay.
Wow. This one says, "Happy birthday, love, Stephen, Kimmy, and little Stephen."
Hold on.
Pull it. Rip it. Open.
What's that?
What is it? Oh, this game's cool.
Oh wow, the elephant game.
It's an elephant game. Elephant. Yeah, it's an elephant
That
game.
is really cool. Hold on, we'll get
Hold on,
look
we
what
gotta
we got
get.
here.
Oh, we got more. This one. What's this one from? This one says, "Someone special who's for someone special who's two. Happy birthday for someone special who's two. Adorable, lovable, and huggable too. Love, GNUJ." Oh, this is from Gia. An itsy bitsy spider Elmo book. Look at this. Mary had a little lamb. Look at these gloves. They're
Look at
so
this.
cute. Love them. Wow, look. Oh, cute. That's cute. Look at this. Well, who am I? And look, I like those. Wowie's right. You're lucky. Okay.
There's a sweater.
Oh, wow.
Look at that sweater. We're in a rock band.
This is a big present. This one is from Gammy and Poppy. You want to open?
Okay.
Pull it. Open it. Rip it. Rip it. What the heck? Look at that. You're the luckiest little kid.
Where's home?
Open. Wow. Oh my
Wow.
gosh. Look at that vest. Look at that, Muno. She says, look at that vest.
Who's on there?
These are the cutest.
Momo. Dora.
Wow. Oh, wow. Look at your hat. Look at that hat. It's the cutest.
Who's that?
Roby. Wow. Look at this one. It's cute. Look at her. Look, let's just keep showing them up. Because we got a lot of presents to go through. Oh, these pajamas glow in the dark.
Yeah.
All right. We still got more presents. What the heck?
There's another one.
Open, open. Justin Bieber doll.
Push. She filled it. You smell, I smell.
Cool. Okay, put that over there. Okay, here we go. What's in here? Oh my Lord. It is a Dora watch.
Hey, get that
You
one.
got a watch.
What's in there?
This is this one. It's a
Oh.
Bailey's iCarly watch. Wow.
And that's for Bailey.
Can we give that
Give
one to
that one.
Bebe? Okay, what's in here? Oh my gosh, what is